Hello everyone and welcome to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. Today we're going to be doing more tickets. In our previous video we did our first ever ticket, which was how to welcome users to a company. If you haven't watched that video, please click on the I that will appear right now and look at that video right now. However, today's video we're going to be talking about many more tickets. Our first one is how to write a shell script to add users. This is all about user management. The video is going to be all about user management. So on mobile xterm, you're going to touch addusers.sh. This will create a file called addusers.sh. Then you're going to type all the below groups of commands in Sublime Text or a Word document. Then you're going to type VI into the file. You're gonna type hashtag this script is useful. This script creates users in Linux systems. Echo, please enter your username of the new user. Read new user. Echo, the system will create an account for new user. Sudo add user $new user. Sudo echo new user echo $new user account created. Then you're gonna copy the script above and VI into addusers.sh. Then you gotta do escape shift ZZ to save and quit. sh addusers.sh to see if it works. Now our next one is going to be how to write a script to add users to a group. In mobile xterm, we're going to be a touch group.sh. Then first you gotta type the group of commands below inside Sublime Text or Word document. Hashtag this script adds users to a group. Adds users to a group in Linux systems. Echo creating a new user's account. Please enter the new user's name. Read name. Sudo add username. Sudo add group managers. Sudo user mod -ag managers $name. Then you gotta copy the script above and VI into group.sh and escape shift ZZ to save and quit, and then sh group sh. And this one now is to how to write a script to add users to give them a password. Once you're in mobile xterm, you're first going to type all these groups of commands inside a Sublime Text or a Word document, or you copy it from the description that I'll put from the description below in this video. Hashtag this script creates users and gives them a password. Echo creating a new user account name. Echo please enter new user's name. Read name. Sudo add username. Sudo passwd name. And then you're going to be creating the name for it. Copy the script above and VI into user passwd.sh, echo, and then you escape shift ZZ to save and quit, then you sh into user passwd.sh. Now let's go ahead and practice this in mobile xterm. Let's actually do this. Now let's go ahead and practice this in mobile xterm. First one was this. So first we're going to touch add users, clear. Then we're going to vi into that. Enter insert mode. Copy this. Now let's sh this. New user Kyle. Now if we want to check if it's really there, we do ls/home. And we can see Kyle is created. Now let's do our next one. Now let's sh. Well, let's cat slash etc slash passwd, and we can see Kenji over here. Now let's see if it was added to the group. Engineers, yes, he was added. See, engineers, and we can see Kenji's group. So now let's do the next one. Clear our screen. Now create a password phrasing. It's called Ninjago 7. Ninjago 7. That doesn't match. Let's do this again. Ninjago 7. Nin. So it's been changed. Now, now that we're done with it, this is the last one. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you all in the next video. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.